So, wow, look at that. Mabuhay everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make DINUGUAAN. This is pork blood stew, Philippines' popular dish. We're going to need 5 cloves of garlic, a big onion, 2 bay leaves, 2 kilos of pork belly, some green pepper, we may not use all of them. And for the sauces, we need 2 sauces for this dish. I'm using fish sauce and white vinegar. White vinegar I always use plain white vinegar with 5% acidity. And lastly, we have our fresh pork blood that I'm happy I was able to get in a big butcher house here in Germany. It's not always easy to get, but yeah, this is 1 liter of pork blood, really fresh, and we'll see if we need all of it. It's always up to you how thick you want the sauce to be in the end. So let's get started. So I'm sauteing garlic and onions, and we're going to be browning our meat for about 10 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, I'm adding in some fish sauce. Maybe around 3 tablespoons for now. Continue to let it brown. So we see that the meat is not red anymore, at least most of it. The next thing I'm gonna do is to add our vinegar. Normally I make, for every kilo of pork belly, 2 cups of white vinegar. It's important that we make this soury. I'm just eyeballing it. That is my white vinegar. And it's important that at this point we don't stir it. Otherwise we're gonna ruin the dish. We add in 2 bay leaves, and we're gonna simmer on medium heat for 30 minutes. See you then. So it has been 30 minutes, and now we need to stir it. I see that we have all this sauce here. which I don't want to have for now. So I'm turning the heat to high, and I'm gonna leave it a bit so that the sauce would evaporate a little bit. So now it's rather dry. This is how I like it for now. And now it's time to season it a little bit. Let's season a bit with a little bit more of fish sauce. About another 3 tablespoons. Remember that I'm not using salt for this. I tried it with just some salt in the past, but it's not as good if you use fish sauce to get that umami taste, umami flavor. A little bit of sugar, tiny bit. This is optional, but if you don't have a problem with it, a bit of MSG. And now it's time to add in our green pepper. So in the Philippines, when we do this, we just add like a few of these, but I love them a lot, so I'm really adding in a lot of them. As you can see, this is the only vegetable we need for this dish. And why not, if you like it. Now that we have seasoned it and we have added our green chilies, we add in the most important ingredient. Ta-da! Our pork blood. So this is 1 liter of pork blood. I think I'm gonna be adding first half a liter and see if I need more later. Look at that. Just slowly. And this will thicken our sauce and give our dish this very nice flavor that you probably do not know if you haven't tried pork blood stew. So it turned into black really fast, and from this time it doesn't need so long to cook. Look at that. Some people like it saucy, but I like it a little bit thick, like this. And if you feel like you need more blood, more pork blood, just add in a little bit more. So, wow, look at that. I'm a vampire. I am a vampire. I'm sorry, but this dish You're not Filipino if you don't eat this. So I like the consistency, and just make sure the salt is enough or the fish sauce is enough, otherwise you can just add in. And we're done. Look at that. Look at that. Let's try it. Let's try it. This is good, of course, with white rice, but I haven't cooked any rice yet, so I also like it like this. Enjoy. You don't know how good this is unless you try it. So good. Enjoy.